Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer cold email sequences using Mailshake templates, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Mailshake account. Navigate to the templates section on the dashboard. Locate the email sequence you want to transfer. Click on the sequence to open its details. Review the content and settings of the sequence. Next, open a new tab in your browser. Go to your destination Mailshake account where you want to import the sequence. Once you are logged in there, return to your original Mailshake tab. Select the first email in the sequence. Copy the entire email content to your clipboard. Next, go back to the destination account. Navigate to the Templates section again. Click on Create New Template. Paste the copied email content into the template editor. Make any necessary adjustments to the email as needed. Save the new template. Repeat the process for each subsequent email in the original sequence. Ensure that you replicate the same order and timing for each email. After transferring all emails, review the entire sequence in the destination account. Make final edits if necessary, such as updating links or personalizing fields. Test the sequence to ensure everything functions as intended. Now your cold email sequence is successfully transferred and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.